Hello, my name is Miss Lewis. Welcome to week 5 of the newcomer work. Today, we're going to be working with after-school routines. We're going to focus on the letters A-C-K, the sound ACK. We're going to read a book and do some vocabulary with fun after school, talking about what we like to do after school, and some matching. Let's get started. So to begin with, we're going to be looking at 3 letters. But first, I want to focus on the letters C-K. When these 2 letters are together, they make the sound K. So I see 2 letters, but I hear one sound. Repeat after me. C-K, K. Excellent. Now let's put the letter A in front. With these, we're going to hear the sound ACK. Repeat after me. ACK. Excellent. Now let's look at what happens when we put different letters in front to make new words. My first word for today is snack. This is like a little bit of food that you can have between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Repeat after me. Snack. Good job. This other word has an R in front, and it says rack. Repeat after me. Rack. Good. And this is something that you can hang different things on. This next word has the ACK sound 2 times, first with the B and then with the P. It's for backpack. Repeat after me. Backpack. Good. I use a backpack when I go to school. Now look at this word. There are 2 letters in front, a B-L. The word is black. That's this color. Repeat after me. Black. Good. Now let's say them together. Snack, rack, backpack, black. Excellent job. Now we're going to read the sentences. I will read it first, then we'll read it together. Find the picture, and you can read it again. First, it's my turn. I eat a snack after school. Here's my word, snack. Now, let's read it together. I eat a snack after school. Great job. Which picture shows this? Yes. Now you read it by yourself. Awesome. Let's do number 2. I'll read it, we'll read it together, and then you read it. Number 2. I put my coat on the rack. Now let's read it together with my word rack. I put my coat on the rack. Great job. Which picture shows this? Yes, good job. Now you read it. Great. Let's do number 3. I'll read it. My backpack is heavy. Here's backpack. Good. Now let's read it together. My backpack is heavy. Which picture shows this? Yes. Now it's your turn. Great job. Number 4. Black is my favorite color. Here's black. Let's read it together. Black is my favorite color. Which picture shows this? Yes. Now you read it. Good. You can go back and read all of these sentences by yourself independently. Now we're going to get started with our vocabulary for our book. We have 6 words today. For all of these, we're going to look at the picture, say a word, and make a movement to help our bodies remember. For this first one, look at the picture. It says, eat a snack. So for my movement, I'm going to have I want you to practice now. Repeat after me. Eat a snack. Good. Let's do the movement together. Number 2, look at the picture. The words say play a sport. This could be tag, soccer, football, or baseball. Lots of things to play. Repeat after me. Play a sport. Good. Now for this one, my movement is going to be like I'm running. Can you do it too? Good. Play a sport. Our next one, look at the picture. I see paper, and this person is writing. It says, do homework. Repeat after me. Do homework. For this one, my movement is going to be me writing. So when I say do homework, we can do this. Now look at the picture. It says read a book. Repeat after me. Read a book. Good. What movement could we do for this? Good. Mine is going to be like this. I'm turning the pages to read a book. Down here in the picture, I can see, looks like a tablet in a movie or a show. Our vocabulary says, watch a show. Repeat after me. Watch a show. Good. For this one, I'm going to pretend that I have a tablet with me. Then I'm going to hold it and look at it. Good. Watch a show. And our last one in my picture, I see a girl on a bike. And this one is ride my bike. Repeat after me. Ride my bike. Excellent. For this one, I'm going to have my arms up here and my feet are going to go around in circles like I'm riding my bike. So let's go through and say our words and do our movement. Let's do it together. Eat a snack. Play a sport. Do homework. Read a book. Watch a show. Ride my bike. Excellent. So for this one, now I'm going to say one of our words, and I want you to do the movement. So if I say, do homework, you should. Good. If I say, ride my bike, you should. Yes. If I say, play a sport, you should. Great job. Now, I'm going to do the movement and I want you to say the word. Ready? Yes, eat a snack. What was that? Yes, watch a show. Now let's get moving on to our book. This one is called Fun After School. Let's look at the picture to get our brain thinking. We'll read the words to learn what different people like to do after school. Look at my picture. It says, I like to do homework after school. Now you read it. Good. Page 2 says, I like to play sports after school. You read it. I do like to play sports after school. I can say he likes to play soccer. I like to read after school. Your turn. I wonder, what kind of books do you like to read? Now let's do page 4. Look at the picture. I see bikes. I like to ride a bike after school. Your turn. Great. So now that we've seen lots of things that people like to do after school, let's talk and write about them. So here it says, what do you like to do after school? Or what do you do after school? Remember, we're going to put our things in order. So first, I eat a snack. And this is a picture of me to eat a snack. Look it, it's our same words as here, but I put in I eat a snack. Next and last, it's your turn. I want you to draw a picture and make a new sentence using our vocabulary words here. You might want to say, next, I do homework. Or, next, I read a book. Write it down on your paper with a picture. And talking about this, there are some things you might like to do a lot. So we practice writing it. Now let's talk about it. After school, I like to. What are some of your favorite things? Just like this person did here. After school, I like to ride my bike. Or I can say, after school, I like to play a sport. You might change it and say, after school, I like to play soccer. Or, after school, I like to play with my friends. What do you like to do? Thank you for telling me. Now we're almost done. We want to review the vocabulary you've practiced today. So here are sentences. I will read them. We can read them together, and then it's your turn. After school, I play a sport. Let's do it together. After school, I play a sport. Good. Which one? Yes. Number 2, listen. After school, I do my homework. Let's do it together. After school, I do my homework. Great job. Number 3, after school, I ride my bike. Do it together. After school, I ride my bike. Yes. And our last one, number 4, after school, I read a book. After school, I read a book. Great job. I'll see you later.